Hello and welcome back to Wild and Lovely Things. My name is Shanice and today we're going to be working on Christmas. Basically going to be revamping the house with Christmas decor. So we're gonna basically do what I did last time with the fall. I don't have too many places to decorate, nor do I have a lot of stuff. This is not all of the Christmas stuff I have, but most of it is for ornaments. Most of it's ornaments and stuff for a tree. We have decided not to get a Christmas tree this year, which is kind of sad, but at the same time, I think it'll work out. All right, so I guess let's get started on decorating the living room. All right, so we're in the living room. Didn't go far. Now it's time to put on our snow.
The wonders of life got the prettiest side for everyone to enjoy. Standing up close by the Christmas tree, glimmering light, I am right where I wanna be. I will be home for a couple of days, wander around with you. You and me in the cold, thought it never be true. Wherever I go, I got you. Oh, I have stopped running, there is no way trying. You better loosen your belts. Drinking hot wine by the fire, don't care of anything else. It's Christmas and some kind of love, my friend. I pray it will never end. Do you like to be here too? It's Christmas.
So I got this little idea about with the garland off of Pinterest. I'll try to insert, if I remember, my inspiration picture. I don't have anything else similar, but I knew I had these, which I haven't fixed up or made pretty yet. Don't have lampshades or anything, but I figured it'd be okay because in the picture it's just a candle. So maybe I get like some little candelabra bulbs and have like a faux one. So let's see if this actually will look good. And I have garland, so let's try it out.
From floor to the ceiling, it is that time of the year. Drinking hot wine by the fire. Here on our own, we got nothing to fear. It's Christmas and some kind of love, my friend.
All right, so now that those are up, they're a little more rusticy, but I think they look fine. Now for the garland, and it's real thin, so I'm probably gonna double it up for sure.
Oh, how I wish for the Christmases of old, where the snow would fall and the air was crisp and cold, where we heard of angels up on high, while building frosty the
All right, so I put one more row of garland, make it look a little more chunky. So far, it looks better. we'll see. I'm going to be adding some ribbon and some wood bead garland that I found at a thrift store or an antique store sometime. So let's see how this looks. I really like these colors together, so I think I'm gonna do both. Alright, so we are basically done. I know I'll probably add a few more things once I decorate the other spaces and see what I have left over. And I think this came out great. I am super excited about the garland and ribbons. So yeah,